Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And I know you guys that you are must be disappointed if you watch this channel and you want more videos. You must be disappointed with the uh, what we call. I'm not that much regular in this channel, but come on, guys. I'm trying to make videos. Okay. Now, one issue that I came across recently is that I love to play music, and whenever I listen to music, okay, so I often use Apple Music, okay, but recently I thought that why not just switch to a local music server. So I started downloading music directly in my local library and stored it in my tablet. Okay. Now the thing is that you guys already know that in my tablet I have Jellyfin installed. But what was happening that whenever I was trying to play the music, so it was FLAC files, that means lossless. So there was an issue coming because the lossless audio, the files are really big, okay, and the Jellyfin server was not actually able to uh, cope up with it, okay, and it was, the server was crashing every time. So then I switched to Emby, and the same issue happened over there as well. So then I thought that what could be the reason. So when I searched, I found that the file size is not the issue, but the album art is the issue. So that album art is also high quality. So whenever the app tries to load that album art, it automatically crashes, right? So I thought that this is the best time we should do something for our own, and then I searched for that what if we can make a local, music server. Then can I play the lossless music through my browser if I uh, install this? So actually, this was true, and we could actually do that. So now what happened is that now I have this IAM, and this is the one of the best purchases in my year, and I love listening to music in this IAM. Okay, so what I did is I already knew that I have to listen to all the lossless music in my directory. So how can I access that? Now for that purpose, I have a laptop and I have a tablet, but my laptop is not always connected to the network because in my home there is no network. So I have no issues regarding that. Then I transferred all my files to my tablet, and now my tablet is there. So now for sharing that music to from my tablet to my phone to anywhere I go, because I can't always listen music in my tablet only. So for that purpose I made a server. Now which server am I talking about? So I'm talking about what we call a Python server. Now this server is fully based on the web UI, and this actually is so much of, let me just show you. Okay, so before running this server I have to just export the music directory. This is one of a ritual that I have to do before even playing a music, because why not? So in the home, then the thing that this is not a Linux computer but a Termux, so we have to always manually give this permission. Now since this is completed, now I can run this file server.py, and see the music is in this folder, and inside this folder it will scan for all the libraries and that it will show. Okay, now let me just run that server. So we will just use Python 3 and run that server. Okay, now as you can see, the server is running and it gives me a IP where I can actually access this server. So let me just go there, and here you can see. Now this UI might not look familiar to you guys, but see, this is all my music inside my tablet, and I'm not even joking. For reference, I can just show you. If I close this server, I can just show you that to this folder high-res. Now here I have all this long song. Okay, now let's just go back and start the server again. Yeah, so as I was saying that this is the server, and now I can actually go ahead and play any song, like any song here, and it will actually play like lossless. And now the thing is that it is not crashing out, and it's my own. So it actually is really beautiful because okay, let me just show you how it will look in smartphone. Here it is. So okay, so it's not, I think we have to just close this for a moment. Now, as you can see that this is one of the most beautiful UI that I have ever created, and this file is actually available on my GitHub. So if you want, you can go ahead and you can just listen to uh, your own library by now. Since if you have a tablet and you don't want stored music in your phone, then there's a really good chance you just connect to your hotspot and then start a server, and you're good to go. Like see here, there's one more option, like in the key section you can actually access music from here, play there, and now after this music will complete, this will start to play automatically. So uh, this is fully based on Python. Okay, and Python web apps, beautiful. What can I say next? So this is one of the best creations that I've done. I'm implementing to actually add this to my website. I don't know if I will able to do that or not. I actually made see, I had a music player in my website as well, like where it is. No, not there. Actually, I know where it is. Yeah, in my podcast section, I guess. No, so this is the music player that I made. Okay, so for example, this was a podcast session that I was creating using AI, and this book Linux for Hackers. We had just done one introduction part of that. So if you just click on here, it will start to play. I think so. I'll just wait for that. I don't know it is going to play or not because I have not maintained this website for a long time now. But songs, yeah. So see, this is the music player. I think I have not maintained this, so this might be crashing out. Yeah, it is crashing out. It is not maintained. So I have made this music player. This was very simple, but now since this came, I am thinking to implement this on this website, and soon we'll be seeing a new some stuff over there. Okay, and since I was not uploading so much videos for this much time, so I thought that why not just make a video and upload. Okay, so this is just for the show purpose. Okay, and if you want, you can use this. I'll give the link in the description. Okay, guys, thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in the next one.